Welcome back to another OBDSync video. I'm Jason and today we're going to be going through how to program a replacement Holden VE body control module. So to start off, go ahead and click on Vehicle. We can then click on Body Control Module and we'll allow this to load up. From here we'll have two options, Flashing and Learn Functions. We're going to go start off with the Flashing tab. This here is going to show us our current operating system and calibrations in the BCM, and then also the required ones. So in this case these match and these are exactly the same, so our flashing is going to be very quick. We will do a write anyway just to demonstrate. One important thing, we need to make sure that you definitely got a high battery voltage here. So we have a battery maintainer on which is sitting about 13 volts, so we've got a little bit of voltage drop there, but it's just to show that we've got an actual maintainer on. But when we're ready, we'll go ahead and we'll click on write to demonstrate the writing process. So first off, it's going to download the files that we require, so that's our operating system and calibrations there. This can take a few moments depending on your internet speed. There we go. Now once it starts, the calibration only writing is very quick. This will be done within a few seconds. And that's it completed. So we have now written, and that BCM has now got the correct operating system and calibrations. That's all correct for this vehicle. You're going to go to Learn Functions. Next thing we're going to do is a VIN security link. That task is now done. Next, we need to do an SDM primary key learn. This is the linking between the airbag module and the body control module. They share a passcode. And then finally, we need to do a brake pedal position learn. So this will pop up a box indicating what we need to do. Effectively, we need to make sure that we've got our park brake on and ignition turned on. We've got our transmission in park, and then finally we need to start the engine and let it idle. Once we're ready to go, we can go ahead and press OK. There we go. Now it's starting. This action is pretty quick. And that's completed. That's all it took to do the final learning procedure and also to learn a replacement body control module into your Holden VE Commodore. That's it for now. Let us know what else you want to see. Otherwise, don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.